In this video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel on mobile. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your YouTube. So make sure your Gmail is currently logged in on your device. With this, you can be able to create a YouTube channel on your mobile. So click on this. I'm going to click on create a channel. So I'm going to click on create channel. I'm going to enter a different name. You can just type in, let me say, for test only. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to click on it. So you're going to be able to select your own unique name you want. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to click on create channel. So this is it. I just created my own YouTube channel here on my mobile. So once you're done, you can be able to come on here and optimize it. So click on this. You can be able to add your name. You can be able to edit all this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the very next video.